Welcome back to Draw with Sean. I am so excited that you're drawing with me today. We have a really cute drawing today. We're going to draw Buddy the puppy. So grab your marker, paper, and let's get started. We're going to start Buddy with the top of his head. And I'm going to draw some spiky hair for Buddy, just like this. And I want you to remember to take your time. We're going to do this step by step. And I'm going to go slowly so you can follow along. Now we want to draw the top round part of Buddy's head. Just like that. Next, we want to draw Buddy's ear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line out and over. And then this line is going to come down and meet it, just like that. And your ears can look different than mine because your buddy or your puppy is going to be your own special creation. So all of our drawings are going to look a little different from one another, and that's what makes them special and unique. Let's draw the other side together. So we're going to draw a little bump out. I'm putting a little wave in his ear, and then the same thing. Just like that. Next, we want to draw Buddy's face to close it in. So watch what I do here. I'm going to make a round line and then sweep it over and then curl it back up. Just like that. And I'm going to make his head a little on a tilt here. You'll see. Now we want to draw Buddy's nose. And we're going to use a triangle to draw his nose. But it'll be an upside down triangle. Just like that. And for his mouth, one line down and another line down, just like that. Boy, he looks cute already, doesn't he? Now we want to draw Buddy's eyes, and Buddy's eyes are ovals. So I'm going to draw an oval here. And another oval here. And some eyebrows. And a little circle in the middle as a highlight. Wow, his head looks fantastic. I bet you're doing a great job. And if you need to start over, you can start over. That's okay. Part of drawing is making lots of mistakes. It's how we get better when we create things. Let's move on to his paw. So watch what I do here. I'm going to draw a line down here. And then I'm going to circle it over like that. And then I'm going to draw another line down to connect to it. And then let's add his toes by adding 2 lines. And you can make something look a little extra cute when you use big eyes and big feet or paws in this case. Makes him look a little bit younger. Now let's draw another line. We're going to go down. And up. Just like that. And then another line with the toes. So he has his 2 feet planted firmly on the ground. Now let's draw the back of Buddy. And the back of Buddy is going to go down like this. And we're going to do the same thing we did over here. We're going to draw a round line. If we completed it, it would become an oval. And then we're going to draw Buddy's back leg. And then we're going to draw his toes. Just like that. And we'll connect the lines here. This will be underneath Buddy. That's his belly. And there's one last thing that we're going to add that most dogs have. And they like to wag it when they're happy. What is it? Very good. A tail. So let's draw a line up and down. Wonderful. Now what I want you to do is grab your coloring supplies and I want you to color in your puppy any way you like. And if you have a dog at home, maybe you want to color in your puppy just like how your dog at home looks, or you can create something entirely new. I'm going to color mine and share it with you in just a moment. And there we have our drawing. I want to tell you something. I am very proud of you. Do you know why? You took your time to do your best and you finished what you started. And that is something very special. I want you to put your name on this drawing. Let's do it together. Do you know why we put our name on our drawings? Because we did our best and we tried, and we take great pride in that. Even if it didn't turn out the way you want to, I want you to be proud of what you created. Keep drawing, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next drawing video. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I'd love to see your amazing artwork. Parents, if you'd like to share your child's drawing, make requests, or send feedback, you can message me on Instagram. Draw with Sean is a brand new channel, and your support makes a big difference. Liking and subscribing really helps us grow and reach more kids, and it truly means the world to me. I can't wait to see and share what you've all created.